What's up everyone, I'm your host Corey, back at you with another video. Today we're going to be taking a look at this app called Vmos, which allows you to install Android inside of Android. There's several benefits of doing this, such as rooting your phone without actually rooting your phone, or maybe you have separate social media accounts that you'd like to be signed into depending on what you're doing, and I'm sure there's a ton of use cases that I'm missing. But without any further ado, let's get into it. To install Vmos, it's not as simple as just going to the Play Store and pressing install. Instead, we're going to open our web browser and type in vmos.com. Once you're here, just go ahead and press download Vmos. Once it completes, make sure you have unknown sources enabled and then install the app. Once inside the app, you're greeted with some welcome screens. Just swipe past and then accept all of the permissions. And now the app will automatically start installing Android, and the system will automatically boot once it's completed. While that loads, I'd also like to mention that you can install Vmos Pro if you want more options, such as installing different versions of Android. So now that we've loaded in, you can see that we're greeted with this message telling us to download the Vmos unlocker. Unfortunately, if you click the download button, it just takes you to the Play Store and says that it doesn't exist. But don't worry, there's a fix. We're simply going to search for Vmos Unlocker APK on Google and click this Aptoide link. Download it and install it. Now when we go back over to Vmos, the message should be gone. If you would like to root your install, it's as simple as opening the settings and enabling root. Now just reboot your install and you should be good to go. So now that everything's set up, all that's left to do is install all of your apps and sign into all of your accounts. This is super easy to do, since the ROM that gets installed comes with the Google Play Store pre-installed. The performance is very surprising, given you have a decent phone. On this 3-year-old Essential phone, it runs great. It's definitely not as snappy as the host operating system, but it's definitely usable. But that's all I have for this one. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, be sure to let me know down in the comment section below. And if you have any video suggestions, I'd like to hear those as well. But that about wraps it up. So if you like the content, be sure to like and subscribe as it helps a lot. And as always, I hope to see you in the next one. Later.